Here is the excellent brain test. The boys just trying to find out how to row correctly or marking the correctly, but it is not possible every time. So if you test your children, so you can also understand that it is true or false. So every day you will take these types of practice for your children to develop the neuron or brain. If you try to do it at home, so your children will become very talented. As a result, in the school we can see that the children are playing the game, different types of the game, by brainstorming, and also they can make that types of knowledge from the school and also outside of the school. We can see that these are the bananas, and by this banana how they will make the hair of our head. Okay, so this is the simplify. Cut the banana, slice with very small pieces, and then they just keep it to wash. And here is the steam, and after the steam then we can see that they just wash it very clearly. And then we can see that how can they do this, because if they wash it very carefully and then they boil this fiber, because if we boil it will become very strong. Then they dry it in a particular area because it becomes very strong, and then again they steam by the air and hot air, and then they will dry it and test the quality of the fiber of banana, and again they will wash it very clearly. And if it is clearly washed, and then they find out that which fibers are very strong and very long, and then they get it from that, and then they color and boil for making the hair very perfectly, and then they steam again, and then they mixed with the color, and then they will try to find out that it is well mixed or not, and then again they will find out dry, and then matching the color is perfectly matched or not. For this reason they keep, and then again they will wash it, and now they are also try to find out that this is the swing machine for swing their hair perfectly, and then they will use some glue to make it very perfectly, and then they take the measurement and then cut it, especially the demand of their customers they will make it. So now they will think that this hair is very perfectly. Actually this is the natural thing for this season. This is the plate where they will keep the hair, and they will use by hand, and then they will swing with the shape of a human head. Then we can see that they are also swing, and here they will make different types of the shape for keeping the hair perfectly, and then it is possible to use the hair correctly. And if they make the hair perfectly, the people will, okay, this is the giving the shape, because carving hair, making the carving hair, they just use the boil air. This is the different types of the shape of the hair. Now these are the perfect match for the using for them, and also cut it as their recommendation, different styles. This is so, like, comment and share.